Hi, welcome to Yum's Cuisine Island Treasure Pot. If you enjoy different dishes from different cultures, ethnicities, and countries, then this channel is for you. What I would like for you to do is please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell, like, share, and comment so that you'll be the first to see each and every time I am uploading. So today I'm going to share a recipe that's easy and fun to make in the kitchen. Guava jam. Everyone isn't fortunate to learn this from their grandmothers, so today I'm going to teach you and you can create new memories with your family. So we have here the guava, granulated sugar, a glass jar, and you're going to need some water as well. So the first step to a great guava jam is getting them properly cleaned. So you just want to take off the head, then cut them in half and pit them, taking out all of the seeds. You may stumble across some worms. That's completely normal with guava as well as other fruits. Now everyone has their guava story. I don't really have a guava story per se, but my memory was laying in my bed, smelling that guava boiling on the stove, and waking up and you're getting it served with hot bread and that warm jam. Nothing could beat that. So I've separated my seeds from the flesh, and now I'm going to move on to my next step. So I have here my pan of water. I'm just going to wash these guavas. I'm going to be back. To my water I'm going to add my guavas. Then I'm going to turn my stove on medium to high heat and bring this to a boil. You want to ensure that you have enough water in there to cook the guava properly. So my guava is now to a boil, and you can find the ingredients in the description box below, so please check that out. So my guavas are softened and now I'm going to strain them. I am not going to be throwing this water away. We are going to be using this later down in the video. And now I'm going to use my food processor to crush these guavas. You can use a blender if you don't have a food processor. So as you can see here, it's completely crushed and ready for the next step. So in my pot here I have my crushed guava pulp as well as the water I strained from the guava before processing it, and now it's to a boil. So now what we want is for this to thicken up like the consistency of a tomato paste. So we're just gonna let this boil some more. So as you can see, we have met that consistency. But to be just sure, I'm gonna teach you a trick. You're gonna get some water in a bowl and you're gonna drop droplets in there. And once it doesn't dissolve, it's ready. So my jar is in some hot water here, and this is to prevent my glass from breaking. And now I'm gonna pour my jam into it. Now guys, the jam has not yet been cooled completely, but I just wanted you guys to see how good this jam is. Look at that. That's really some good jam. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you try this with your family, creating new memories with your kids, grandkids, nieces, nephews, friends. Thank you again for watching. Bye.